While every zodiac sign has amazing positive qualities, there's also the flip side to that. And every zodiac sign also has negative traits that are at best irritating and at worst possibly deadly. We're going to talk about the negative traits for each sign that could potentially become a fatal situation. All signs have to be careful of different things, so keep watching to find out what to watch out for. It could possibly save your life one day. Aries, reckless endangerment. Aries is the first fire sign of the zodiac, and those who have the sun in Aries are known to be highly passionate and are true go-getters. However, their vice is that they can be impatient and impulsive and can have a hard time controlling their emotions if their feelings are hurt or upset for any reason. That said, the weakness that those with Aries sun signs face are more prone to getting into serious accidents because of their impulsive ways. If they get extremely angry, they act impulsively and can easily unintentionally hurt themselves by getting into an accident, whether it's a car crash or falling down the stairs. If you are an Aries, then you must be mindful to be careful and take some deep breaths and count to 10 before making any kind of rash physical move. Taurus, addiction. Taurus is the second sign of the zodiac, and it is an earth sign. Those who have their sun in Taurus are known to be loyal, have a need for security and routine, and have an appreciation for beauty. However, at the same time, they have a tendency to be extremely stubborn and can easily become set in their ways, which can be dangerous if they indulge in food, something that is closely associated with Taurus. Their weakness is overeating food that is delicious, but high in fat and sugar. Not only are they prone to obesity, but they will have a difficult time changing their ways to get healthy. Those who have this sun sign can easily become prone to obesity-related illnesses, such as diabetes and heart disease. If these habits are not controlled and adjusted to indulge in moderation, then they will end up not living a long life. Gemini, being annoying. Gemini is the third sign of the zodiac, and it is an air sign. Those who have this sun sign are known to be big talkers and great communicators, but they tend to blow hot and cold at the same time due to their Gemini twin personalities. They also don't particularly like structure or being on any kind of a set routine. However, where the Gemini can get into trouble is by being a little too self-expressive and loose with their words. This habit has a tendency to anger someone. If they run into the wrong person and behave this way, it can become a dangerous situation. If the person is angered by what the Gemini says, the consequences could potentially be deadly. Cancer, irrational thinking. Cancer is the fourth sign of the zodiac and is a water sign. Those who have this sun sign are known to have a maternal and nurturing spirit, and they also can be very emotional in general. They also have a strong love for sweets. A person who has their sun sign in Cancer can end up being in a similar situation to Taurus if they don't control their emotions, which can lead them to binge eating on sweets. However, they can also become seriously depressed if they are rejected by someone they care about, or develop anxiety if they are facing a situation that is quite upsetting. Leo, need for attention. Leo is the fifth sign of the zodiac, and it is a fire sign. Those who have this sun sign are highly creative, playful, and love being in the spotlight. However, if they are being ignored and not getting the attention that they are craving, they will either become devastated or they may develop depression. The Leo can also crave attention to the point that they would be ready to do something dangerous and reckless in order to get it. That means if they want to do a dangerous stunt just to say that they could do so without getting hurt, they will tell everyone to watch them do exactly that. And if they become injured doing something dangerous for attention, then their need for the spotlight may turn fatal. Virgo, excessive worrying. Virgo is the sixth sign of the zodiac, and it is an earth sign. Virgo people are known to be very health conscious and are very service oriented and pay attention to close detail. However, their strong analytical traits can cause them to become obsessive to the point of being neurotic. That in itself may cause them to be anxiety-ridden in general on a constant basis. However, if they are upset about being overweight, for instance, they can easily go on a dangerous and extreme diet to slim down quickly. They may try dangerous diets like only sticking to 500 calories a day and taking dangerous metabolism-boosting supplements, which can easily land them in the hospital. That said, their highly regimented and obsessive nature can cause them to harm themselves by accident. Libra, trying to please everyone. Libra is the 7th sign of the zodiac, and it is an air sign. Libra people are known to have an appreciation for beauty and are peacemakers. They value fairness, but at the same time, they do not like conflict and are poor decision makers. They can get into trouble due to the fact that they are the ultimate people pleasers, especially if they neglect their own needs in order to meet someone else's because they hate saying no if they are asked to do a favor for someone. If they keep ignoring their own needs to please others, then they will end up burned out, which can cause them to face many health complications. If they still don't get the message that they are burned out and continue to please others, this could kill them, especially if they're consistently losing sleep to help someone else. Scorpio, jealous rage. Scorpio is the 8th sign, and it's a water sign. Those who have the sun sign are extremely passionate, and they are also secretive. They are known to be either your best protector if they love you, but if they hate you, they can be your worst enemy. They also can keep dangerous secrets bottled up, especially if they are angry and resentful, which the Scorpio individual would easily be if they were hurt by someone. These individuals are the most prone to self-harm if they are bottling up intense and negative feelings. They may not necessarily do physical self-harm like cutting, but they will end up in very poor health for keeping so much anger inside, which takes its toll on their body. In fact, holding on to intense anger can cause insomnia, poor appetite, and high cortisol levels because it's stressful to hold on to such horrible feelings. If that does not let up at all, in the end, it can be fatal as those feelings will literally eat away at them. Sagittarius, imprudence. Sagittarius is the 9th sign of the zodiac, and it is a fire sign. Those who have this sun sign are known to have a love for freedom. They often have wanderlust and an intense desire for adventure. They have an optimistic nature, but at the same time, they can become quite impulsive to the point that they could easily land themselves in dangerous situations. They are most likely to even explore dangerous places. For instance, if they decide at the last minute that they want to go to Acapulco, Mexico, and are warned to stay away from the dangerous parts of the city, they will have the attitude that nothing bad can happen to them, and they'll explore the entire city anyway. That includes the dangerous parts. That said, they can easily put their lives on the line by doing so, especially if they come into contact with someone unscrupulous who is capable of anything. Capricorn, overworking themselves. Capricorn is the 10th sign of the zodiac, and it is an earth sign. Those who have this sun sign are known to be very industrious, hardworking, and are extremely organized. However, they also don't like to include fun into their time, nor don't see the need for taking any downtime. This can easily cause them to burn out quickly, and even when they are burned out, they will still keep working because they have a never-ending need to achieve and reach their goals. This is normally a positive thing, but it can become a problem. They will not accept anything less than success. They will keep working to meet their goals even if they have to lose sleep consistently and become run down to the point that they can catch every infection and virus around. This can be quite deadly if they ignore being sick and ignore their immediate need to rest. Aquarius, suspicion and paranoia. Aquarius is the 11th sign of the zodiac and is an air sign. Those who have this sun sign are known to be detached but friendly, charitable, and are the type to be innovative and unique. However, they absolutely dislike conforming in any way or form and don't accept their freedom being compromised. They make it clear that they will do what they want and will ignore the rules. This is a great trait, however, not if they are willing to put their lives on the line by not wanting to live by the rules. For instance, the way this can easily cause them harm is that they will not see a need to not speed while driving. They won't care that the speed limit is needed to keep them safe. If they don't want to heed the speed limit, they won't, and this can easily become deadly if they get into a serious car accident. Pisces, self-deception. Pisces is the 12th sign of the zodiac, and it's a water sign. Those who have this sign are known to be dreamers, sensitive, and caring, and they put the needs of others above their own. However, those who have this sun sign have a strong tendency to escape reality in dangerous ways and have a hard time controlling their emotions as a result. They are the most prone to doing drugs and drinking too much in order to escape, and they can easily overdose on drugs or alcohol. This will easily land them in the hospital and can even kill them if they overdose to the point that they will not recover. Now you know about the fatal weaknesses that are indicated by each of the signs of the zodiac. And with that said, with this knowledge, you can easily stop yourself from giving into these weaknesses, as you can see how they can potentially become fatal if things really get out of hand. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay safe, and take care of yourself, regardless of your sun sign. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons so you don't miss out on our latest videos.